Pierre Probiotic skincare facial treatments feature the most natural ingredients. Pierre products are free of parabens, phtalates, PABA, sulfates, PEGs, and are never tested on animals. Pierre Glowing Facial Scrub is a refreshing and rejuvenating anti-aging formula that blends inulin with collagen and vitamin B3 to create a gentle facial scrub that removes dead and dull cells, improves skin tone and texture. Your skin will glow radiantly and feel softer and smoother. With wet hands, gently massage onto the entire skin surface in a circular motion. Rinse thoroughly with warm water and pat dry. Follow with either the clay, mineral, or charcoal masks for deep cleaning those difficult pores. And finally, moisturize with daily moisturizer. You will feel the difference and be ready to face the day. Pierre Skincare is made by professionals for professionals. Esthetician quality products at affordable prices.